we're heading along the road towards the M1 back to Brisbane. We're at Helensvale at the moment, and we're coming up to a set of traffic lights. On my left is Westfield, and that's the Helensvale town centre. If I take a right at the lights and then a first left, it'll take me to the Helensvale Department of Transport. That's where they start and finish driving tests. So what I'm going to go through today is, once the lights turn to green, I'm going to move off and I want to hop onto the freeway and head back towards Brisbane. This situation's interesting because as we go up, the first speed sign I can see, and I can actually see it from where I am now, is an 80 sign. It's critical when a driver takes this section that they monitor not only their speed but their positioning, because a lot of other drivers will fly around the corner and go over the speed limit. So if a learner driver's on a driving test and they go over the speed limit, it's an automatic failure, and it comes under the performance outcome of speeding. There is no tolerance with speeding in the driving test. So it's critical that a learner driver enters those zones at the correct speed. Lights have turned green. I'm scanning to the sides. It's all clear. Working up through the gears in the little manual. And I've entered into the 80 zone. So I'm just working up through the gears up to speed. Checking my mirrors for my positioning. I can see the painted arrows are telling me that I can move over one lane to the left up ahead. So I go mirror, indicator, shoulder check, crossing the broken line. Now I have another set of traffic lights up ahead and a 60 sign just before. The lights have just gone green. I'm backing off. I want to get into that left lane when I can. I can legally stay in the right lane, but my preference would be the left lane. So it depends a little bit on how many vehicles take a left. So you can see some of the vehicles moving over. We're going to mirror, indicator, shoulder check. We're all good to go. We're going over into the left lane. Up ahead, we've got a warning sign. Left lane ends 350 meters. I am staying in the left lane and I'm staying at the speed limit. And that way I put myself under less pressure from tailgaters, etc. And as I said, it's legal to be in that right lane, but this way those vehicles can pass through. It says left lane ends merge right, form one lane. I put the indicator on, I'm checking my central mirror, I'm checking my right mirror. I communicated, I do a right shoulder check and I come over. Now this is when the next speed sign kicks in of 110. Now we can pass the sign and accelerate up to speed. So it's critical that as a driver comes around the bend and they're working on those right mirror checks, that they do not go over the speed limit of 60. Now I'm following the road. I'm in a 110 km/h zone. I did a left shoulder check and a left mirror check just to make sure that there weren't any merging vehicles coming up on my side. Now I'm heading towards Brisbane, and up ahead it says exit 60, Helensvale North, exit 800 meters left lanes. So I need to make a lane change. So I go mirror, indicator, shoulder check, gliding over, still checking my right mirror for any activity, because sometimes drivers will be also wanting the same lane I want coming from the right side. So I can see that the left lanes go left up ahead. The lane that I'm in also goes straight ahead, so I'm okay to follow this road.